This is a one owner 2018 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab Limited with a 5-foot bed. It has 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this Tacoma a score of 98 out of 95 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Here is the inside of the truck bed, and then a view of the cover that is on it. It has a towing capacity of up to 6,400 pounds. Here's another view without it being in the sun of the truck bed cover. There are your rims. Let's go inside. The interior is in excellent condition. There are no rips, tears, holes anywhere. And you have rubber floor mats to protect the floor. You do have the power sliding window in the back. Let's go up front. Here is the passenger seat and the driver's seat. You have power locks, power windows. There's your truck bed light. And then your the auto light symbol is for your auto brights. There are no caution or warning lights on. You do have lane departure, warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control. There's your navigation and then other apps. You have messaging, audio, eco, bunch of different apps. One more time. This display screen is also where your backup camera is. You have dual climate control, heated seats. There's your 2-wheel drive for high, for low, power start. And then you can turn off the blind spot monitoring if you'd prefer. There's your rear window. You can charge your phone. You can drive an auto manual if you prefer. And then you have a sunroof. There's your traction controls, sunroof controls, garage door transmitters as well, right there. If you are looking for a truck to go on adventures in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Toyota Tacoma out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.